Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and enjoyed the Christmas Eve. As you saw my earlier beautiful gift opening video, the Pigments gift was sent from Miss Casey Wolfe Vanstenberg to me. And I did tried one of them peach moonstone at that time, which was really amazing. Today I have picked up violet diamond dust, which is again really so pretty. I'm just so amazed to see its shine and sparkling. So let's just start. I had ordered this decorative 5-inch bowl mold a few months ago when it was in offer. So I will create a simple glittery bowl out of it. I will mix all of these pigments in my resin. It's 90 grams of resin and 45 grams of hardener, as it's a 2:1 resin and hardener. Look how it looks so sparkly after mixing. Really so shiny and pretty. Now I will pour it into the mold, and if any remainder, I have kept a Christmas mold besides me. Okay, we got some remainder from the pour. Let's pour remaining resin in this Christmas ornament mold. Now I will have a look at it after 24 hours. Time to demold. Wow, look at the sparkle and the violets peeking through that shine. I hope it's visible on my camera. I will try to capture it in yellow, white lights, and if video doesn't get longer, I will capture it in daylight also. The Christmas ornaments look so beautiful and sparkly. Let's demold the bowl now. Look at the sparkle. Now I will add a few stickers to add more beauty to it. Now take a look at these. Don't these look amazing? I'm so in love with these color art pigments. Now take a look at these in different lights. So if you like the video, just give the video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. And before going, I would again like to remind you all about our Friday lineup of premieres with June's House of Craft and Gert Creates. Their video links are added to my description, and June's video link is pinned in my live chat, as her video will be right after my video is over. And before going, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you all a Happy New Year in advance. Bye bye.